The automotive industry is undergoing a transformative shift as electric vehicles, EVs, gain momentum. Central to this transformation is the adoption of innovative manufacturing techniques that streamline production and reduce costs. Among these techniques, gigacasting has emerged as a game changer. Gigacasting, which involves the use of massive casting machines to produce large sections of a vehicle structure in a single piece, is being embraced by Tesla and other EV makers. This method promises to revolutionize vehicle manufacturing, offering significant benefits in efficiency, cost savings, and vehicle performance. What is gigacasting? Gigacasting refers to the use of extremely large die casting machines to create substantial parts of a vehicle's frame in a single piece. Traditional car manufacturing involves assembling numerous smaller parts, each produced separately and then welded or bolted together. This process is labor-intensive, time-consuming, and prone to variances that can affect the final product's quality. In contrast, gigacasting simplifies the process by reducing the number of parts needed and the steps required to assemble them. Tesla's pioneering efforts. Tesla has been at the forefront of adopting gigacasting technology. The company introduced the concept with the Model Y, where the rear underbody of the vehicle was produced using a single-piece casting. This marked a significant departure from traditional manufacturing methods, which typically involved assembling numerous components. Tesla's gigacasting machines, produced by Italian manufacturer Idra Group, are among the largest in the world and have the capacity to exert enormous pressure to mold large aluminum parts. Advantages of gigacasting. Cost reduction. One of the primary drivers behind the adoption of gigacasting is cost reduction. By consolidating multiple components into a single piece, manufacturers can significantly cut down on material and labor costs. The reduction in the number of parts also means fewer resources are needed for inventory management and assembly, further driving down expenses. Enhanced manufacturing speed and efficiency. Gigacasting allows for faster production times. Traditional assembly lines, which involve the precise joining of many small parts, can be bottlenecked by the complexity of these tasks. By casting large sections in one go, manufacturers can streamline the production process, reducing the time needed to build each vehicle. This efficiency translates to higher output and the ability to meet growing market demand more effectively. Improved structural integrity. Vehicles produced with gigacasted parts often have better structural integrity. Fewer joints and welds mean fewer weak points that can compromise the strength and safety of the vehicle. This not only enhances the overall durability of the car but also improves crash safety, an important factor in automotive design and consumer confidence. Design flexibility. Gigacasting offers greater design flexibility. With traditional manufacturing, creating complex shapes can be challenging and costly. Gigacasting, however, allows for intricate designs to be easily molded, enabling manufacturers to innovate with their vehicle designs and optimize them for aerodynamics and aesthetics without incurring prohibitive costs. The future of gigacasting. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, gigacasting is poised to play a crucial role in the production of EVs. The benefits of reduced costs, improved efficiency, and enhanced vehicle performance align well with the goals of EV manufacturers striving to make electric cars more accessible and appealing to a broader audience. Tesla's success with gigacasting has demonstrated the feasibility and advantages of this technology, encouraging others to follow suit. As more manufacturers adopt gigacasting, the technology will likely become more refined and widespread, driving further innovations in vehicle design and production. Gigacasting represents a significant leap forward in automotive manufacturing. By enabling the production of large vehicle components in a single piece, this technology offers substantial cost savings, improved efficiency, and enhanced vehicle performance. Tesla's pioneering efforts have paved the way for broader industry adoption, setting the stage for a new era in EV production. As the industry embraces gigacasting, the benefits will extend beyond cost reduction, contributing to the advancement of electric vehicles and the realization of a more sustainable automotive future.